Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 4 challenges, let's take up our 5th challenge now, which is use sharing rules for external users. So once if you launch your playground in quick find, let's search for sharing so that you will get sharing settings. Just click on it, and here by clicking on Ctrl F, I'm just gonna search for opportunity sharing, so that you will get this opportunity sharing rules. Now click on new, and now let's copy your label. So it is given right over here, so just copy this and paste it over here, and rule name will be auto populated. So here make sure you are choosing based on record owner, and for this we are just gonna select portal roles and subordinates, followed by add communication partner manager, and now choose portal roles followed by express logistic and transport partner manager, and for access give it as read and write. So once if it is done, click on save followed by OK. And guys, now in quick find search for public, so that you will find public groups. Just click on it, and now click on new. So let's go back to our challenge and let's copy this label, copy this and paste it over here. Group name will be auto populated, and now in search click on drop down and choose roles. So here we are going to choose this director channel sales and click on add, and now change this search to portal role. So here we are gonna choose portal role edge communication partner manager, click on add, followed by portal role express logistic and transport partner manager, click on add. So once if it is done, scroll down and click on save. So in quick find again search for sharing and click on sharing setting. So here by pressing Ctrl and F, search for account sharing and click on new next to account sharing rules. Let's copy our label now, which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it over here. Rule name will be auto populated. So now for rule type we are going to change it to based on criteria, and here for field choose industry, for operation choose equals, and for value we are going to choose energy. Click on this lookup and select energy right over here, followed by insert selector. Remove this, and now for second field we are gonna add customer priority, operator should be equals, and for value click on that lookup, we are gonna give I, and now click on insert selector, and now just scroll down. So for this we are gonna choose partner manager and channel director for public groups, and make sure it is read only, private and private. Now click on save followed by OK. So yeah guys, that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So guys, if you are getting this kind of error, let's go to our app launcher, followed by account, click on accounts. So now I'm just gonna open this edge communication in new tab, followed by express in new tab. So here let's change the account owner by clicking on drop down right side, followed by change owner. So here I'm just gonna search for scene. So change this to partner user, and now click on scene force followed by submit. So if you got error, again change this to portal user and now search for scene. Click on enter. So guys, here you will hit an error because here it is mentioned to change edge installation opportunity owner. So just close this tab and in global search for edge installation. So it should be on opportunity, just click on it. So on right side click on drop down followed by change owner and now change this to partner user and search for CN and click on scene forms followed by submit. This will work. And now let's come back and click on verify step. So regrets for the confusion, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.